to give people the opportunity to have access to healthy food, to treat them with dignity, and to know they're going to have more resources at the end of the month to take care of all their other needs, and just taking just a little bit of stress off with some good food. That's my fuel. That fuels me up, that lifts me up. I'm Shellie McKeown, and I'm the Community Health Coordinator at Mountain Resource Center up in Conifer, Colorado. What we do is we help people who need the most help, and we bring together our community assets to help strengthen families. If you're a family who needs, you need food, we have a food pantry. If you're a veteran and you need help getting your benefits, we help you with that. You need mortgage assistance or utility assistance, we have family advocates that can help people navigate through different programs. And we're addressing social determinants of health. That is our huge impact. We help people with their basic needs. We also help them with their social connections. All of our programming is a 2-gen approach. We are helping like little kiddos and then the big kiddos. I actually am a client of Mountain Resource Center. I brought my 3-year-old here, and that's where I made some of my first mommy friends in Colorado. And my daughter, she made her first friends in our early childhood education programs. And then she had buddies in preschool and school, and going on 10 years later, where I still have our Mountain Resource Center families. So a lot of my interests are around, of course, food. We build food security. And I love coordinating Cooking Matters classes. But my hero is my grandma. She taught cooking classes, and during World War II, she was very proud of herself. She had a certificate from Franklin Delano Roosevelt thanking her for all of her efforts in food security. And when my mother passed away, I went through the cookbook that my mother and I put together of all my grandma and her family's recipes. And I cooked through all those recipes with my daughters and wrote a memoir called Cooking with Grace. So, and while I was writing and doing this cooking project with my girls, I learned about Cooking Matters at Mountain Resource Center. And so I wanted to volunteer, but I was a client taking my youngest baby to classes in the early education program. When she got old enough and went to school, I just did everything I could to get a job at the place that helped me build so many wonderful memories with my children. We can help families who might be struggling. Our goal is to take them from surviving to thriving, surviving, thriving. We're here to help people figure out those needs and give moms and parents, give them opportunities to get a little respite, to get a break, to meet other parents, to get some support, and to strengthen their social connections and get some ideas of some different strategies of how they can be a better parent. And that's what we do here.